Okay, good morning, my dear fourth class children. Are you ready to listen the lesson? Have you taken your breakfast? Children, what will happen if you do not take food 1 or 2 days? We feel very hungry and our body becomes very weak and we can't do any work, isn't it? Why do we eat food? Why do we eat food? We eat food for growth. Food gives us energy. Food provides us energy. Food helps us to grow and keep ourselves fit and healthy. Food helps us to work, to doing lot of work, play, okay, and growth. Okay, without taking food, we can't live. So, food is very important for us. Food is very essential for all living organisms, including human beings. We are the human beings, no children? Yes. So, the food that we eat contains, yesterday we are discussed, yes, we discussed about nutrients, no children? So, the food we eat contains nutrients. So, from morning till night, we eat so many kinds of food, so many varieties of food, each food rich in some useful substances or chemical substances. Those are, yes, those are nutrients. So, yesterday's lesson once recall, what did I teach you day before yesterday? About nutrients. Okay, each food item rich in one or more nutrients. Nutrients are the chemical substances that are needed by our body for good health and growth and proper functioning of our body. Definitely our body needs healthy food, good food, clean food. Okay children, what I am saying? Have you understood what I am saying children? Yes. Every day we eat food. We are eating biscuits, chocolates, fruits, okay, curries and cake, pizza, burgers, chicken, eggs, milk, many kinds of food, no? Yes. Okay, throughout the day we eat many kinds of food. All foods are very useful for us. All foods contain some important nutrients. One are nutrients. All these are, yes, for example, when we eat biscuits or pizza burger, more nutrients enter into our body. Then we will get energy, yes, for doing lot of work. Are you able to understand what I am saying children? Yes. Okay, listen. Food is very important for us. Okay. Nutrients are the chemical substances present in the food items. Okay. So, these are very important for our body. What are the 5 types of nutrients? Once recall: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are all the nutrients. I come again. Nutrients are the chemical substances, okay, which are needed by our body for healthy growth and proper functioning of our body. Is it clear children? Nutrients means some useful substances present in our food. Okay, what we eat daily, those food items rich in one or more nutrients. When we eat chicken or mutton, okay, or eggs or drink milk, more nutrients enter into your body and they give us or they provide us energy for doing lot of work, for playing, for work, okay, for growth, for worn out tissues. Is it clear? So coming to the lesson, okay, nutrients are carbohydrates. What are the nutrients present in the food? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, these are all the nutrients. Okay, so beside these our body also need water. Okay, very very important, no children. Water and fiber also very important for proper functioning of our body. Is it clear? Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. We get energy from the carbohydrates. Yes, every day we are eating rice. Rice rich in carbohydrates. Rice, banana, bread. You like potato curry. Okay, maize. Okay, and some fruits also rich in carbohydrates. Okay, like a fuel of car. For moving vehicles, they need fuel, no? Without fuel, are they move? Are they run on the road? No. Without fuel, they can't move. Yes, like that. Our body also need carbohydrates for proper functioning of our body. Our body needs carbohydrates. Fuel gives energy to a car. Okay, like that. Carbohydrates gives energy. Carbohydrates provides energy to our body. Without energy, we can't speak, we can't stand, we can't work. Simplicity, we can't do anything. So, energy, we need energy for doing work. We get energy from the carbohydrates. Is it clear? Carbohydrates are the one of the nutrients. Okay, children. So, listen. Yes, we get energy from the carbohydrates. What are the two types of carbohydrates? Sugar and starch. Yesterday I said no sugar. Already fruits taste, sweet taste, no. That means sugar present in natural sugars present in the fruits. Okay, and also yes, carbohydrates also present in the banana. Okay, see rice, cooked rice, but this is the raw rice, no? Yes, this is also rich in carbohydrates, rice. Okay, okay, take cooked rice, take small amount of cooked rice and add few drops of iodine solution that turns into bluish black. So, you have to do at home. Okay, children? So, rice, cooked rice, okay, this is the raw rice. This is also rich in vitamins and minerals also. Okay, not only carbohydrates, some vitamins and minerals also present in the, yes, these are all the brown rice. Okay, morning I did mom one experiment. Okay, so take banana. Okay, take banana extract. Take banana. Take banana. Banana also rich in, whenever you feel tired, after playing, definitely you may get tired, no children? Yes, some after home you feel very tired. Immediately you have to take one banana. Banana is energy giving food, quickly energy giving food. Carbohydrates also called energy giving foods. Okay, and definitely every day you have to take one banana. Banana provides us energy. Energy giving food. Banana is the energy giving food. It also contains some vitamins, some mineral and fiber. Okay na? So when we eat banana, we get more nutrients enter our body. Is it clear? Okay, don't forget it. Okay, it is rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals and also carbohydrates. This is energy giving food. Don't forget it, children. Okay. So take okay, small piece of banana. Okay, means okay, crush the banana. Crush the banana. Okay, crush the banana. Okay, like this. Crush the banana. Like this. And add few drops of crush the banana. Okay, take banana extract and add few drops of iodine. Yesterday we did this experiment, no? For doing experiment yesterday, what we taken? Rice. Today I taken banana only. Okay na? So see here, slowly it turns into bluish black. Okay, slowly it turns into bluish black. I will show. Yes, slowly it turns into bluish black. So this experiment prove that starch is present in the banana. Okay, children. So see here, slowly it turns into bluish black. Yes, okay, you to do at home. Slowly it turns into bluish black. So this experiment proves that starch is present in the banana also. Okay, yes. So honey, what is the taste of honey? What is the taste of honey? Sweet taste. Natural sugars also present in the honey. So carbohydrate present in the honey. Carbohydrates, two types, no, sugars and starch. Okay, starch is present in the rice. Okay, rice and banana, potato, bread, maize and some more food items. Okay, but honey rich in sugars. Fruits also taste sweet. Okay, natural sugars also present in the honey, sugarcane, okay, and some fruits. Okay children, grapes, sugarcane, honey, okay, mango, these fruits also rich in sugars, means carbohydrates present in the honey also. Is it clear? Okay, so every day we are eating many kinds of food. Those food items also rich in carbohydrates. Okay, which food items rich in carbohydrates? Which food item give us energy? Yes, we get energy from the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. Carbohydrates also known as energy giving foods. They are sugars and starch. Okay, sugars and starches are present in the fruits and also rice. Okay, potato, bread, just now you saw banana. Okay, these food items rich in carbohydrates. These are very very important to our body, children, don't forget it. Okay, sports persons, they have to take more carbohydrates for practice the game. Okay, so people who do more physical work, rickshaw puller, gardener, farmer, okay, laborer, okay, and sports persons also need more carbohydrates. They are doing lot of work, that's why they need more carbohydrates. You too play more time, you too play, you too need more carbohydrates. Okay children, don't forget it. Every day you have to take okay, one banana and yes, honey, okay, and one potato curry. Okay, yes, already your parents knows everything, okay, about these. Okay, and next what ma? Proteins. Okay, these are very very important for you only. Okay, for you only, means growing children need more proteins. Okay, you know hair. Okay, hair also, our skin, hair, okay, our blood and organs and muscles also made of proteins. You know, you don't know. Okay, yesterday I saw in Nettamma. Okay, hair, okay, your skin, blood, okay, and organs and muscles also made of proteins. So proteins are very very important for you. You are the growing children, you need more protein. Okay now, so sometime when you are playing in the playground, suddenly you may fall down, you need, okay, you may get a wound, blood is bleeding from the wound, tissues also damage and some cells also destroy and tissues also damage. So for quickly healing the wound, doctor suggests you take more protein rich food, bone soup, chicken soup. Okay, take more yes, eggs and milk. Okay, chicken and mutton, these are rich in proteins. Pulses, every day we are eating pulse, dal. Okay, pulses also rich in proteins. Okay, milk and yes, eggs also rich in proteins. Pappu, dal also rich in proteins. So every day we are eating more nutrients. Okay, when we eat these food, so many nutrients enter into our body. Okay children, can you tell children, okay, which nutrient do you think are present in this biscuit? Can you tell which nutrient present in this biscuit, amma? Carbohydrates or proteins or fats? Biscuit. Biscuit made with wheat flour. Yes, biscuit made with wheat flour and sugar. Okay, wheat. Wheat means one of the example of carbohydrate. Okay, so biscuits are made with sugar and wheat flour. Okay, so wheat rich in carbohydrates, sugars also rich in carbohydrates. Is it clear? So and also fiber also rich in this biscuit. Some percent of vitamins and minerals also, 1 or 2% of vitamins and minerals also present in this biscuit. So when we eat biscuit, okay, 3 or 4 nutrients enter into our body. Is it clear? Don't confuse children. Nutrients are very very important to our body. Okay now. So listen, kidney beans amma. Okay, these are all the kidney beans children. Okay, these are also rich in proteins. Pulses. Okay, rich in proteins. Is it clear? Okay, and yes, proteins are very very important to you. You are growing children. Okay, for proper growth and repair worn out tissues. Okay, your body needs more protein. If you do not take more protein children, okay, your damaged tissues are not worn out children. Okay, don't forget it amma. Okay, and yes, if you do not eat proteins, yes, our body will not be able to repair damaged cells or to build new ones. So proteins in our diet come from both plants and animals. Okay, plant products. Pulses also rich in proteins, no. Milk also rich in proteins, no. Egg white also rich in proteins. Okay, and many heroes like Prabhas Rana, okay, and Junior NTR, Bunny, okay, and yes, some more heroes also, villains also, and they are acting in movies. Many people take proteins, okay, every day, okay, for build up their muscles, okay, for good skin, for healthy skin, for good hair, okay, and okay, for proper functioning of our body, they are taking, many people are taking proteins. They are taking eggs every day. They are taking eggs. Egg white rich in protein. Milk rich in protein. Pulses also rich in proteins. So children, every day you have to drink milk and eat one egg and eat dal. Okay, 3 days once or weekly once you have to prefer to eat meat or chicken. Don't forget it. All these rich in proteins. Proteins are very very important for you. Okay, now worn out tissues, damaged tissues. Okay, you need more proteins for good growth of hair. Okay, skin. Okay, each organ and blood and muscles also made of proteins. Okay, children, will you take proteins? Don't forget it. Tell to your parents to give protein food. Okay, children? Yes. And proteins also called body building foods. If you take more protein food, your muscles may build. Okay, children? Now, fats. Fats provide us energy. Okay, than the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates also provide energy, no? Fats also provide more energy than the carbohydrates. Okay, fats also called quickly energy giving food. Okay, children, so fats also very very important for us. Fats also provide us energy. Okay now, so fats rich in oils, nuts, okay, almonds, okay, all nuts also rich in fat. Okay, and oils, ghee, cheese, butter, okay, or rich in oils. How will you prove that? Oils, yes, fats present in these food items. I will show an experiment. Take groundnuts, amma. Take groundnuts, crush the groundnut. Take one filter paper or with me tissue paper is there, amma. Filter paper not available with me. Okay, to me. Okay, take yes, crushed peanuts, groundnuts, crush. Okay, like this. Oils, already oil content present in the groundnut, no children. If you press this, yes, okay, they may produce oils. How will you prove? Yes, oil stains are appear on the paper. Okay, observe. Yes, oil stains. See, oil stains are, yes, these are oil stains appears on the paper. So these experiments prove that fats also present in the food items. Okay, so almonds, okay, almonds, groundnuts, okay, and badam, all these rich in fats. Okay, all these rich in fats. Okay, not only ghee, nehi, okay, oils, all kinds of oils, okay, rich in fats, children. Fats also provide us energy than the carbohydrates. Okay, children. So milk, fish, eggs, oils also rich in fats. Groundnuts, peanuts, okay, both are same. Almonds, cashew nuts also rich in fats. When we eat ice cream or okay, during birthdays we are eating cake, no children, they apply more cream on the surface of the cake, no children, those also rich in cream also. Cream means fat. Okay, when we eat a cake we get fat from the cake. Okay, children, so fats also enter into your body when we eat cake and pizza, burgers, okay, ice creams, okay, badam means almonds and nuts and oils and ghee and butter and cheese, all these foods rich in fats. Fats also very very important, amma. They provide us energy, but don't take too much of fats. If you take more fat, your body become overweight and causes obesity and leads to heart problems, heart diseases. That's why don't take too much of fats. If you take too much of fat, okay, yes, you may get obesity, means overweight of the body. That okay, yes, overweight causes heart diseases and diabetes. Okay, children. Okay, take small quantity of fat. Fat is also provide energy than the carbohydrates. Is it clear? So fats also rich in oils, ghee, okay, all nuts, okay, all nuts rich in fats. Okay, children. Yes. Okay, and fats are the richest source of energy in our diet. They keep us warm, they give us more energy than the carbohydrates. Fats also store in our tissues for future use. Okay, so fats, extra fat is stored in our body for future use. But okay, that fat is stored too much in our body, we may get some heart diseases and diabetes. Okay, children, tomorrow we will discuss about vitamins and minerals. Today you have to read about carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Will you read the textbook? Yes, you have to read the textbook, children. Okay, tomorrow I am going to do some experiments for you. Okay, don't miss any one class. Okay, children, bye, take care, good day.